$300? Honey, have you seen this water bill?
Don't worry about it, honey. I got an idea.
What's going on, everyone? Recently I started a garden using the square foot method invented by Mel Bartholomew, and so far it's been going pretty well, but to reduce our water bill costs, I started to look into rain barrels. Also, if you're interested in learning more about Mel's square gardening concept, I'll post a link in the description. So anyway, to get my feet wet with the rain barrel idea, I started with a 35-gallon trash can that I converted into a rain barrel. One day when it was raining, I noticed how much water comes out of the downspout, and I figured it's a wasted resource that I could probably use to help water the garden. So after researching some, I stumbled upon a rain barrel diverter kit on Amazon made by Earth-Minded that provided basically all the parts, including the hole saws, I needed to convert my trash can or any other type of barrel into a rain barrel. Note, this video is not sponsored by Earth-Minded in any way. However, Earth-Minded,
I'm open to the idea if you need some additional exposure.
Anyway, back to the video. So the setup and install process was really straightforward. I started out by making sure I had a level surface for my rain barrel to sit on, and I had a few spare concrete blocks that fit the bill perfectly. Next, even though the diverter kit came with a spigot, I had a spare one laying around and I decided to install it at the bottom of my rain barrel instead. The most critical step was to make sure the water infeed hole I cut into my rain barrel was at the same height as the hole I cut into the downspout. The instructions gave some helpful hints on how to accomplish this though, but I will admit I was a little worried about drilling a hole into my downspout, but after reading the reviews and since I knew how to repair the downspout if I needed to, I decided to just keep it pushing. To help prevent the rain barrel from falling over when it was empty, if we experienced heavy winds or a storm, I used some twine I had on hand and 2 conduit clamps to secure it to my deck fencing. So to let water out of the rain barrel, I just simply open the spigot at the bottom and fill my water container. But in the future, I would like to install a pump that will pump the water over to my vegetable garden and automatically water the plants at a particular time. If you want to see that video, let me know in the comments. Now, since I know some of you may be curious how the diverter works in action, I simulated rain pouring on my roof with a garden hose so you could get a general idea of how it works since it may be a few more days before it's projected to rain in my area. What you will notice is when the rain barrel fills to a certain level, the diverter installed in the downspout will automatically send the excess water down the downspout and not overfill the rain barrel. However, as it expresses many times in the instruction manual, it is important you drill your rain barrel infeed hole and downspout hole at the same height for this to work. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this diverter kit, and if you're wondering, I probably spent about $60 for everything. Something else worth noting, if you wanted to add an additional rain barrel so you can capture and hold more water, Earth-Minded does sell an extension kit. So let me know what you think in the comments about this rain barrel idea, or if you have a garden, what's your method for keeping it watered? Also, please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more. And if you haven't subscribed and don't want to miss out on future videos, hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.